Hey guys, Dan here from the Sharpening Bench. Today I'm going to do something I don't do too often, which is an unboxing video. To do the unboxing, what I've got is the Spyderco Endura 4, and one of my favorite steels. It's ZDP 189, and you might notice that the blade has been dialed way back to 12 degrees, which is why the secondary bevel is so pronounced. So without any further ado, here's what came in the mail today. It's like Christmas. This is a knife I picked up on blade forums on the secondary market. I got a great deal on it. If you haven't bought knives from blade forums, I highly recommend it. And of course, it's a Spyderco. But what Spyderco? Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, so why in the world would I buy a knife I've already got? Well, take a look at the pocket clip. This was a knife that started my knife journey in that it was the first decent knife that I ever bought. It's a super steel, it's super high Rockwell, and I was unable to sharpen it with the sharpening equipment I had. And that caused me to have to buy diamond abrasives and a KME sharpener, and years and years and years later, here I am. So when I saw this knife available on blade forums for 95 bucks, I just couldn't say no. Retail, this is about $140 or $50 knife. ZDP 189 is a steel that's been around for quite a while, and it's not a trendy steel. It's not a steel that people are talking about, but it really is a tremendously good cutter. It's also stainless, so you get a lot of the performance that you'll get out of K390 or 15V or Maximate in a stainless steel format. Once again, this is one of my favorites. It's the Endura 4. I bought a second one with the intent I'll probably give this away, and that leads me to another topic. Enjoying the knife hobby with friends and family. I've given away a lot of knives, and particularly a lot of Spydercos. The thing that tends to happen is they get the brand new knife, and then I can't get them to put it in their pocket and cut with it because it's so nice that they couldn't use it. So what I decided to do from here forward is to buy them in pairs and to give them the knife that I've used and carried. And then when it needs sharpening, trade them out for the one that's in my pocket, the one that I use and carry. So from here go forward, all of my favorites are going to become pairs of favorites. I gift away a well-used, well-loved knife to a friend or family member, and it comes with lifetime sharpening from me. When your knife needs a tune-up, next time we meet, the replacement blade will be in my pocket, and there you go. So anyway, the Endura 4 in ZDP, the knife that started it all for me in a serious hobby kind of way, and its twin, which is going to find a home in the pocket of somebody that's close to me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.